All right, everyone. So what I've got today is a little resin video. Doing a lot with my Christmas shop. So I am making today a Merry Christmas resin mold. That is going to say Merry Christmas. Got 2 Christmas trees on it, a little star, some Santas, and a house. And I'm also going to do a Christmas tree tea light and snowflake tea light. All right, so there's gonna be a lot of fast forwarding and music playing because it's gonna be, a talking video, and then there's gonna be some not so talking stuff. So I will just get you started. All right, so today what I'm gonna be mixing up is Let's Resin, Part A, Part B, epoxy resin. And it is a 1-to-1 mixture. I've told you this stuff before. So I think what I'm gonna be doing is mixing up a bunch. So I'm gonna do 32 ounces. So it'll be 2 16-ounce cups. And then I'll put them all in this 32-ounce yogurt container. And then we're gonna do equal parts Part B. I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna put it over here so I can see the measurements. All right, so next what we do is put Part A into the giant cup. Part B goes in. All right, now all I do is mix this up, stirring gently. Always wear a respirator when you're doing this. This is a very, very low odor. I know a lot of resins market themselves as a low odor resin. I can assure you, this really is a low odor resin. There are times I forget to put on a mask, to be honest with you. But I'm not wearing a mask today because I'm trying to make the video for you guys, and that would be very hard. So always, always wear a mask. Great. Always remember to keep scraping. Also, you want to scrape the bottom of your jug when you're mixing the A and B together, and scrape the bottom edge as well. You don't want any of the resin just setting up in those corners and not getting mixed, and then you end up with resin that's not going to dry. All right, so I'm going to let that sit for like 5 minutes. Let it activate. Now we can talk about the colors I'm going to do today. My colors I'm going to be using today for the blue is going to be TLP Sapphire. The green trees is going to be Echeveria from TLP. My red is going to be Amsterdam Napthol Red Medium. And my white is going to be just a titanium white. I'm going to start off with my green. So let's fill up the cups with resin first. There is one. This resin's got about a 45-minute working time. So my first color, I'm gonna do my TLP in my trees. So I just take 1 little scoop, add that right in there, close it up so that way you don't go spilling your pigment. Next up, Sapphire. It does not take a whole lot of pigment to do this either. Next up is going to be my red. Just a little scoop. And then my white. Just a little squirt. Now I'm going to mix them up really well. Be careful with your pigments. Another reason why you want to wear a respirator, because they will, when you don't want to aggressively stir them at first, because it will start to release the powder up into the air. So I just do a very, very easy churning, mixing. Once you get all the powder mixed in, then you can get a little more aggressive with your stir. TLP Sapphire. Blue is my favorite color, but TLP Sapphire, one of my favorites. Just gorgeous. All right. Okay, in this mold, there is some snowflakes that I want to see. This will be the first time I've tried this one. I want to see if I can get some of the snowflakes to show up in the tree of green. So what I'm going to do first is take a pointed end to a skewer, and I'm going to rub some white resin on the snowflakes only. And it doesn't take much. But you want to be careful because you don't want to overcoat it, because then you're going to get a ton of white in your green tree. Okay, so I squeeze my cup and I think about where I want my white to go. So I want it to be primarily here at the bottom. So I'm gonna pick somewhere that's got some pretty deep lettering. And I'm pouring just enough to let it fill, but I don't want it too much because I don't want it to go far up there. What I can do, if I don't like what's happening, I can raise this up a little bit and bring some of that white back to the bottom. And then what I do is I take my skewer and kind of just make sure all the corners are getting resin. Now I think what I'll do is do some blue. So when we see that now, that layer is going to be white, then blue on the opposite side when it dries. I've given the white enough time to kind of get going and setting up there in the trees. So now I'm going to start on the trees. I'm going to pour just a little bit. Actually, let's come on down here with the blue. Got to get that resin, get the green in the trees before I pour the red. And I don't want the green to go too far in before I get a chance to do the red. So I take my skewer and I put it down here in the tree. Make sure all the corners get there. Now we're gonna start filling up with the red. Let's start over here at the house. So what you can see is now that this has got the green here in the tree, the red, the blue, and the white, those are going to be the colors that you're going to see because those are the first layer. So now I'm ready to start pouring in more resin into the colors. So I'm just going to do some green. But just like water, if there's a hole, the resin's going to fill it. Oh, you know what? We forgot about over here. Let's do so we did white. Let's do a blue star. Forgot all about this guy. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my tea lights. Let's do, Hey, you got a green tree, so let's do a green tree. Oh, I just love this sapphire color. It's so beautiful. Okay, so here we are. This one's Merry Christmas. So you got the white at the bottom, the blue the middle, the red the top there. Got the little Christmas Santa Claus, he's red. Got the two green trees. And then this is the Christmas tree tea light, the red tree, and the blue tea light. And then my little bell. All right guys, so once this dries, I will show you how they look when I demold them. Be back. All right guys, so here is time to demold what we've done. All right, so let's take out of the mold the tree light, the Christmas tree light. There we go. Put your little tea light in there and it's ready to go. The only thing I'll probably do is just kind of maybe sand down the edges so they're not quite as sharp. Let's do the snowflake. Cute. That TLP Sapphire is beautiful. And here is our Merry Christmas. So the first thing we want to do is take the star out. You can see there, it's got the Merry Christmas in white. So the best way to do this is kind of start up here with the trees. Once you get that started, then I lay it flat. And then I just push down so the resin doesn't bend, and I pull up. Merry Christmas. So that is it for Let's Resin Molds. We got Merry Christmas, we've got a tree light, and we have a snowflake light. The Merry Christmas that came along with this here. Got my Merry Christmas Christmas tree, and I got my bell with my deer in the center. There you go. Oh, here's one I did off camera. Just a regular snowflake. Smaller ones are a little harder. Just peel them out. There we go. So cute. And you can hang your string. There's a little hole here in the center. All right, guys, that is it for my Let's Resin Molds. You can head to my description box. You can get a discount using Brian10. You can get 10% off your orders. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.